Grammar: cause and effect connectors. The goal of this lesson is to identify and use cause and effect connectors. Causes and effects connectors. The most common cause and effect connectors are because and so, but causes and effects can also be signaled with prepositions and transitions. Prepositions introduce causes or reasons. They are followed by a noun phrase. Transitions introduce effects or results. They are followed by an independent clause. Here are examples to explain this point. Because of the tightly controlled growing conditions, vertical farmers don't use pesticides. So the first part of this clause, because of, is a preposition, and the rest of the clause is the cause, whereas the second clause is the effect. Now another example is, birds with shorter wings survived. As a result, genes for short wings became more common. In this example, the first clause is the cause, and the second clause consists of a transition, which is, as a result, and the effect, which is the rest of the clause. In this table, we have examples for preposition plus cause and transition plus effect. Preposition we use before the cause, like because of, due to, thanks to, as a result of, as a consequence of. On the other hand, transition we use before the effect, like, as a result, consequently, therefore.